Morning, Waz here from B&B. I'm going to do a quick walk around in this Widebody Mustang. We've just fitted the UK's first 11-inch Alpine touchscreen Halo multimedia system. We had to do a hell of a dash conversion, take out the Sync 2 system and then convert all the dashboard. We've gone from manual heaters to digital. Works pretty well. Let me give you a walk around. Okay, so as you can see, nuts looking car, belongs to a friend of ours. He's had all the body work done. Back now to do the electronics, because kind of that's what's left. There isn't really a panel on this car that hasn't been touched. Okay. Yeah, ride just looks absolutely stunning. And where we go. Now to show you what we've done. Wow, look at that. We have gone from a probably 7 or 8 inch original Sync radio to an 11-inch humongous screen, which doesn't look out of place. Fits like a glove. It's meant to be there. You can put it into reverse. We've got the factory reverse camera working, but we've got a zoom button. And there we are. We can adjust the factory camera as well. And if you move your finger a second, PDC display is there as well. And now we've got all the heaters. And if we want the heated seats, they come on as well. Back to the video. Full touchscreen, steering control please. So we've lost no real features. There's engineering modes in this if you want to go in and adjust some personal settings. But this was a manual switched heater, which is now full touchscreen and digital. Go back to the unit. Then you get your normal features of HDMI, USB and so forth. Okay, we've just switched over to Apple CarPlay, which is wireless. Also got Android. And then no point going through all of this because you're all fully aware of all of this stuff. Time to rock. Get this car at all the shows. I'm sure you'll see it everywhere. If you're interested in something like this, we can pretty much do this to any car. Come and see us. Not a cheap conversion. But hey, the car is sick and you have to spend the money if you want to be number one. Waz at Audioconcepts, 02920 707 275. Thank you very much.